The best surveillance drones are designed for high-quality aerial monitoring, offering stable flight, long battery life, and advanced camera systems for clear real-time video and imaging. They are commonly used for security, inspection, and outdoor observation, with features like GPS tracking, smart controls, and extended range for reliable performance. Starting at number 1. DJI Mavic. The DJI Mavic 3 is a high-performance drone designed for professional use, featuring a 4.3 CMOS Hasselblad camera that offers a remarkable 12.8 stop dynamic range for superior imaging quality. This drone boasts an impressive maximum flight distance of 30 kilometers and can reach a service ceiling of 6,000 meters, operating efficiently in temperatures ranging from 10 to 40 degrees, 14 degrees to 104 degrees. With a maximum flight time of 46 minutes, users can capture extensive footage without the need for frequent battery changes. The Mavic 3 is equipped with advanced omnidirectional obstacle sensing technology, ensuring safer flights by allowing users to navigate confidently. It also offers a remarkable transmission range of up to 15 kilometers, supported by the O3 Plus transmission system for smooth live feeds. Additionally, the Smart Return to Home feature enables the drone to return to its home point quickly and safely, whether prompted by low battery or manually by the pilot, making it easier than ever to retrieve the drone during flights. Number 2. DEERC D15 GPS Drone. The DEERC D15 is a cutting-edge drone designed for adults, featuring impressive 4K video capture resolution that allows for stunning aerial photography and videography. It utilizes advanced 5G connectivity technology, ensuring fast and reliable communication for seamless operation. This combination of high-quality imaging and modern connectivity makes the DEERC D15 an appealing choice for enthusiasts looking to elevate their drone experience. Number 3. Holy Stone 5D GPS Drone. The Holy Stone HS-175D is a beginner-friendly drone designed for adults, featuring advanced capabilities such as brushless motors and a 4K camera that captures sharp, detailed shots with a 110-degree wide-angle lens. It offers adjustable camera angles for optimal framing and smooth 5G FPV live view transmission, ensuring stable footage even during movement. The drone is equipped with GPS technology that provides auto return to home functionality for peace of mind during flights, especially when the signal is lost or the battery is low. With 2 batteries included, users can enjoy up to 46 minutes of flight time, allowing for extended exploration and filming without frequent recharges. Its user-friendly controls, including altitude hold, optical flow, and one-key takeoff/landing, make it easy for beginners to learn and operate while maintaining stability for cleaner video footage. Number 4. Potensic Atom SE GPS Drone. The Potensic DSDR-04B is a lightweight and beginner-friendly drone, weighing less than 249 g, which eliminates the need for FAA registration. It features a foldable design that makes it portable enough to fit in a jacket pocket. The drone is equipped with a 4K EIS camera powered by a 1/3 CMOS Sony sensor, capable of capturing 12 megapixel photos and recording 4K HD video at 30 FPS. Its exclusive Shake Vanish technology ensures stable and smooth imaging within a 118-degree field of view and allows for vertical adjustments from +20 degrees to 90 degrees. With a flight time of up to 62 minutes using 2 batteries, 31 minutes per battery, the drone also boasts a wind resistance level of 5, ensuring stable flight in various conditions. The Surgefly flight control system offers 3 different flight modes: video, normal, and sport, making it easy for beginners to operate. Included components such as spare propellers, a portable handbag, and various adapter cables enhance the overall user experience. Number 5. Potensic Atom LT GPS Drone. The Potensic Atom LT2B drone is a lightweight and portable device, weighing under 249 g, which eliminates the need for FAA or remote ID registration. Its compact, foldable design allows for easy storage, making it convenient to carry around. The drone features 2 3,000 mAh intelligent batteries, providing a total flight time of up to 80 minutes, with each battery lasting approximately 40 minutes on a single charge. This makes it ideal for beginners looking to practice longer flights. The Atom LT is equipped with a 2.5K EIS camera that utilizes a Sony CMOS sensor delivering high-quality video at 30 frames per second and impressive still photo resolution of 25 and 60 x 1440 pixels. It also boasts a maximum transmission range of 4 km, approximately 133 feet, and includes various components such as spare propellers, a screwdriver, and a remote control. However, it is important to note that the drone can only operate in GPS mode and should be flown outdoors in open areas.